Today we are going to discuss national income and their related aggregates. First, what is national income? The money value of final goods and services produced in a country in a financial year, including net factor income from abroad, is called national income. National income is represented by NNPFC. NNPFC is the full form of Net National Product at Factor Cost. NNP at FC equal to NDP at FC plus NFIA. NDP at FC equal to net domestic product at factor cost. NFIA means net factor income from abroad. To find NFIA, the formula is NFIA equal to factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Factor income from abroad is the income earned by the normal residents of a country from abroad. Factor income to abroad is the income earned by the foreigners in the domestic territory of that country. Components of factor income are rent, wages and salaries, interest and profit. Wages and salaries either in cash or kind plus donations towards social security scheme together is called compensation of employees. Rent plus profit plus interest is called operating surplus. MI equal to mixed income. Mixed income of self-employed, like doctor's income, teacher's income, a small businessman who runs their own business. They provide their own land, they provide their own labor, they invest their own capital, they take their own risk. So their income is mixed income. We see that there are three methods to find national income. Number one is output method. Other name of output method is value added method, product method or industrial origin method. All are same. Second method is expenditure method and third one is income method. When we calculate national income by any of the three methods, the value is same. Today we will discuss the product method. In this method, national income is measured by estimating the contribution of each producing enterprise in the domestic territory of the country in an accounting year. The following steps are taken in estimating the national income. First step, all the enterprises are grouped in three sectors. Primary sector, this is also known as agriculture and allied sector. Second, secondary sector, this is also known as manufacturing sector, construction sector. Third is tertiary sector, it is also known as service sector. Second step is to solve the problem of double or triple counting. We use the two methods. First, final output method. In this method, only money value of final goods and services are counted. Money value of intermediate goods are not counted. Example, in an economy, wheat is produced. Wheat is converted into flour. Flour is converted into chapati. So, price of chapati is calculated in the national income. The value of wheat and flour is not counted because in the price of chapati already the price of flour or wheat have been included. If we add all the three, so it will be triple counting of the price of wheat. Second, value added method. In this method, value added at each stage of production is calculated. At last, all the value added at each stage are added together. In this method, we apply formula value of output equal to price into quantity produced. Next, value added equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. If there are three firms, then we calculate the value added of firm A, value added of firm B, value added of firm C. Then we find GDP at MP equal to value added of firm A plus value added of firm B plus value added of firm C. And then we convert GDP MP into NNP at FC by subtracting depreciation, by subtracting net indirect taxes, and by adding net factor income from abroad. So NNP at FC equal to GDP at MP minus depreciation minus NIT plus NFIA. to convert net into gross, which formula gross equal to net plus depreciation. For finding net equal to gross minus depreciation. NFIA equal to, already we have discussed, factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. For converting market price into factor cost, FC equal to MP minus NIT, or FC equal to MP minus NIT, or MP equal to FC plus NIT. See again, MP equal to market price, NIT equal to net indirect taxes. Market price is bigger than the factor cost. So MP equal to FC plus NIT, or FC equal to MP minus NIT. What are subsidies? That the cash grants given by the government to the enterprises to encourage production of certain quantities, to promote exports, or to sell goods at prices lower than the market price. What are indirect taxes? The taxes which are levied by the government on production and sale of commodities are called indirect taxes. Example of indirect taxes: goods and service tax. So net indirect tax equal to indirect tax minus subsidies. What is GDP at MP? That the gross market value of the final goods and services in a domestic territory in a financial year is called GDP at MP. What is GDP at FC? That the gross factor value of the final goods and services produced in an economy in a financial year. What is NDP at MP? That the net market value of the final goods and services produced in an economy in a financial year. What is NDP at FC? The total factor income earned by the factor of production within the domestic territory in a financial year is called NDP at FC. What is GNP at MP? What is GNP at MP? Gross market value of all the final goods and services produced by the normal residents of a country during a financial year is called GNP at MP. Next in next class. Thanks.